In this video, I'm going to teach you how to replace the battery inside your Toyota Key FOB. The Key FOB is used with the current 4Runner, Tundra, Tacoma, and the previous generation of the Highlander, Camry, and RAV4. Basically, if your key fob looks like this, the procedure will work. This whole process takes less than a minute and you'll save yourself a trip to the dealership. First, take out the emergency key. Hold the side button down and slide out the key. Next, insert the key inside the slot that you see here. It will only go in so far, and then all you have to do is twist. The cover will pop open, then take out the circuit board, flip around, and you'll find the battery. It is held in by two small clips on the outer side. Use your nails to tug on the clips while pushing the battery at the same time. It'll pop right out. Then simply replace and put everything back in reverse. Make sure you snap the cover back on tightly all the way around, and then simply reinsert the key. That's it. No reprogramming needed. Your key fob is good to go. I have the battery linked in the description of this video. You can find it on Amazon for a few bucks, or you can find it locally. Hit the like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you check out these other videos.